So hello guys and welcome back to our channel Simple Random Knowledge. So in last video we have learned about how to draw a line, rectangle, circle and the different sketch option that we have in the SolidWorks. So from this video we are going to start the feature option. So stay tuned with this channel and let's go. There are different features available in SolidWorks option. We will start from the Extrude Boss option. So for that first select the plane, normal to, draw some sketch, draw a rectangle, center rectangle. I have drawn a rectangle over here. So now go on the features and Extrude Boss. So here by default the preview of a extrude is shown to you. So simply click on OK. So we got an extruded box. So now we have to use the Extrude Cut option. For that, simply you are supposed to draw a simple sketch over this surface. So simply click on the surface and right click, then click on normal to view. So the sketch will be getting normal to your view. So simply draw a sketch over it as a circle from a center. Now you want to cut this circle. So for that, simply click on features, Extrude Cut. There are different options. They are like a blind, through all, both side, up to next, up vertex, up to surface, offset from surface, up to body, mid plane. So simply click on through all and click on OK. So we got a cut to this plate. So that's all with the Extrude Cut and Extrude Boss options, which are commonly used everywhere in the SolidWorks. So previously we have seen the option of Extrude Cut and Extrude Boss. So in this video we are going to see the option of Revolve Boss, which is similar to Extrude Boss. We start with a simple sketch. For that we will select the front plane, normal to, and we will draw a line on which we are supposed to give the Extrude Boss. So I will draw a line. So click on OK button and Revolve Boss. After clicking this option, so you can see the preview is shown to you. So here you can see the axis of revolution. By default they have selected this, and the direction they have selected 360. So simply click on OK option. So here we go, we got a circular plate of thickness 10 mm. So now we are going to see about Revolve Cut option. For that you should draw a sketch which is symmetric from all sides and it should be on origin. So simply click on any of the plane and click on normal to and sketch on that plane. So we have drawn a sketch on the plane. Click on OK and then click on the option of Revolve Cut. So you can select the line as this line and click on blind and just click on OK. So let's see our Extrude Cut has been done or not. We have got a cut of required dimension on this box. So that was the use of a Revolve Cut option. So now we are going to see about a Swept Boss base option. So for that we have drawn this kind of sketch. So simply click on Swept Boss option, then select the circular profile, then select a direction. Sweep is drawn, and if you want to give the thin features, the thickness to it 2 mm, and in direction you can see one direction. So we have got a pipe of certain diameter. So that is a simple application of Swept Boss option. So now next we are going to see about Loft Boss option. But before that, so you can see here the reference geometry option is there, where you can select the plane, axis, coordinate system and point. In this reference geometry we are going to see how to use this plane option in Loft Boss. So let's start with our drawing. First please select the plane as usual, sketch. So draw a random dimension circle and click OK, exit. Now click on reference geometry, click on plane. Here they are asking the first reference, So we will select our first reference as top plane. Here you can see the plane has already been created. Now they are asking the distance. We will keep it as 50 mm. Click on OK. Now sketch on this plane. We will draw a circle smaller than this bigger circle and click on OK. Now exit the sketch. So now we can use this Loft boss option. Click on Loft boss. Click on first profile, then click on second profile. So you can see the Loft boss is already created. As you change this point direction, the Loft boss will generate the different shape. You can see here, if we keep both the points above each other, this gives a perfect shape. So this was all about the Loft boss option. So thanks for watching this video. If you like such kinds of videos, please hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon near it. Thank you.